Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Rip. Rip means tear or pull something quickly or forcibly away from something or someone. For example, a fan tried to rip his pants off during a show. A fan tried to rip his pants off during a show. Synonyms: tear, snatch, jerk.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. It tore through the city, ripping buildings apart. Now, repeat after me. It tore through the city, ripping buildings apart. The second exempli. She flipped it over and quickly started ripping it open. Now, repeat after me. She flipped it over and quickly started ripping it open. The third exempli. Darren checked for a pulse and quickly ripped his hand back. Now, repeat after me. Darren checked for a pulse and quickly ripped his hand back.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
About 4,000 words are added to the dictionary each year.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.